What's going on, everybody? Hello, hello, Friday! Last weekend we lost transmission in the Hummingbird, and Carl told us, he said our converter bad, and I didn't even know it. Lee Roberts, his dad-in-law told me that Lee Roberts was a converter man, so we getting ready to rebuild it. The only converter I ever worked on is them. You remember them old Boss converters? That's the ones I worked on. You know, a converter got a lot different than a damn log. Sawmill and a converter different. So what you doing? Overhauling the brakes? I know it's a lot of people on here know a whole lot of everything. Y'all tell us what we need to do here. We know who the converter was for. How old is the converter? X-Man got that damn converter when?
2018.
2018?
Brutal.
We're getting ready to rehaul it, y'all. Buster, he happy. He ready for this weekend. I can't say that he been helping me a whole lot, y'all. I'll leave Buster alone. You ever done this before? Huh? What are we doing exactly? We're gonna take it apart. Buster trying to take the seals out.
Make sure we flip it for you. If you got all of them off, flip it. Like a
Uh-oh. Stay close, Dad-in-law. We might need some help. Need a hammer. We need a hammer. What's going on? Malcolm, what's up? Cindy Rogers. We getting ready. We was headed out to Prescott, Arkansas. We're gonna be in Prescott tomorrow. Small tire gonna be tomorrow in Prescott. Then next week we're gonna be in Immokalee, Florida. It's gonna be small tire and big tire in Immokalee, Florida next week. We got that heifer. We got that Buster Pro Mod motor in there. $6,500. I gotta get back over here. Lee done got lost. Lee smoked banana peelings. He get messed up sometimes. Smoking them banana peelings. What you doing, man? That's a Carter key. Oh, I'm getting nervous. I'm supposed to have a big race this weekend, too. Ooh. Carl told me something gonna be tore up. He said a fin or something. Let me call Miss Pam and tell her the three-way for me. I'm gonna show you how three-way work.
Hey there.
Hey, call Carl and tell him look on the live feed. He gonna see this converter.
Hey, so look at the metal. Look at the metal right here.
Let me try. Hold on 1 second.
Now you ain't got to FaceTime him. Tell him to look on the Tell him just look on the live feed. He gonna see it. Don't lose them chims or whatever. We gotta know how them will go back in.
Okay, I'll call him and tell him.
Tell him look on the live feed. Can we talk to him while you talk to him?
Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
Where's the metal coming from though?
Inside the converter.
This is the inside.
No.
The fins right there. He said the fins are gonna be broke.
See how they're
Beat up.
they're all chewed up and beat up.
That might make it run fast.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
So that's your metal. All these tips.
the tip. That might be when I tighten it up, made it lock down. Ain't nothing wrong with it, is it? What do you say? What is it? What it, Lee?
There's your stall right there. There's your stator.
He said there's seals. We gotta know how to remember how this mother went back together.
You got to rewind on that thing, don't you?
So underneath that is that seal.
Yeah, we better leave that seal alone, Buster.
Carl's on there, and he's gonna get on the Facebook also.
Yeah, you can see where they was all chewing. They're all hitting right in there too.
Hey, Carl, can you look on there and see where it was touching?
Yeah, she's gonna get it now. I'm not a Facebooker, she is.
Me neither. Only thing
It's Memphis Street Racer, JJ the Boss.
Only thing good I can say about Facebook, that's where I found Pam at.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
She had a for sale sign. I thought they were selling the shoes and they were selling her.
Memphis Street Racer, what? JJ the Boss.
Where's it touching at? Can you see?
Yeah, they'll get it.
Get the other side.
Okay.
You remember how they come off, Lee?
We're working on it. We're almost there.
Do you?
Just go right back do like this.
Set that flat so you know.
It's got to be flipped.
Did you find some stuff in there or what?
Can you? Well, it looked like it was touching like the housing of the converter actually.
The inside fins on the converter is touching the.
Like, look, flip it over and let's look.
There might have been the blades.
Oh Lord, we'll never get them back together.
Then it's touching something else. Alright, so you're on 9 feet now, huh?
Can you see it?
No, you're fine enough.
You might not have no minutes on your phone, Mr. Rosper, Mr. Carr.
They gave the boss.
This is fine.
Huh?
That's where that's made.
That is where that was made? So that ain't touching that then.
It's right here. I'm gonna say right here where the chunk is coming from.
Hey, Carl,
Right there,
I
that's
just
it.
texted it to
Damn right
you.
that is. That's
See, it's
it.
gonna eat that aluminum right there.
Uh-huh.
It's Starbucks.
Yep, that's what done it right there. Yeah, that's where it come from right there. What's causing it to do that, you think? That thing making about 300 something horsepower at 283 is. That thing.
He's done.
Right here. Let me see.
This ain't going back together.
Oh,
Feel the
yeah.
ridge.
Oh,
Feel that.
shit. Sandpaper.
Memphis
No,
Street
feel that.
Racing?
Hold on.
That's
Make
done.
grip the,
Huh?
make a lock up.
Just shred it's what's going to do. See where it's chewing into the hole.
Alright, you guys still there?
At this point, it's just a stator.
Now,
That's letting this flop.
let's see. Ooh, it's more hot. Golly, it's hot. Woo!
Is this shit need to be clean?
You on there, car?
Tell them there's an 1/8" groove almost on this 16th-inch groove.
I just sent you another one, Carl, with just the link.
Are you sending it to my cell phone?
Yes, sir.
That's nothing came through. Must have gone the wrong way here.
What you say?
I could have drove down and fixed it by now. I could have gone down there already driving.
I know you. What's wrong with your damn phone, Mr. Carr? You out of minutes?
I think so. I just put any quarters in it.
Can you build me one of them 3 on the tree? I put that in there.
Yeah, 3 on the tree. I got one car like that.
It'll hook up that Will it hook up that 283?
She can't find it.
Oh, you got some back
I thought I was technology.
Ground off the whole school. That's a student.
Hey, JJ, let us call you right back, okay?
All right. What do you think, brother-in-law? You got it figured out? Gilligan, come here. Gilligan, weld that. Can you weld that right there? Look here. Look at that. See if you can weld that. I want to weld that. Can you weld that?
Yeah.
All right. Gilligan, they can weld it.
Face it all right back off on the blade up, turn it back right down. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gilligan, we got that fixed in. We're going to fix that. Hold on. Don't move it too much. We don't know which way it go back in there. We're getting ready to weld that, y'all. Let's see. I don't know what caused that. Oh, we're going to let it roll for sure, Barry. You already know that. What do you think caused that, Lee?
I think there used to be a bearing.
A big one.
Where is the bearings that went to that?
It didn't have one.
It didn't have one?
No, it sit right down on here, just right there. That's why I'm beating it up. Those are chunks of metal that's coming from.
That's where the metal's coming from for sure.
The bearing, I bet it's in that.
Let me call Axe Man. We're finna weld that up. You just get ready. Can you weld it up?
Yeah, I'm well.
All right, we ain't tripping now. We finna weld that up. What's going on, Diane Brown? What's up, Scene? They said we're messing your new countertops up. I know that's right, Brad. What's up, John? What do you think caused that? It wouldn't just eat the damn bearing up. Where the where's considered the stator? That is. So we just need to change the stator. All we need to do. Me and you don't mess with nothing like that, do we? We use them down old Boss converters, 3500. Think we can get it back in there? Yeah, we'll rewind it live so you can watch it. Which way this go, you know? Come on, man. You play too much. Where did this go? So this go, does that go on top of that right there? That don't go on top of that? Gilligan talking shit over there. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of somewhere. That's what I'm scared. No, man. You play too much. That right there, that one right here, I think. You don't think so? It might should. We might reinvent it. Uh-oh, Miss Pam calling, y'all. Come on, kick it back 10-4. Come on, go ahead. I got a good copy.
Hey, tell JJ I'm going to put Carl in. He's got it on Facebook Live now.
All right.
Okay, Carl, you got JJ.
Mr. Carl. Mr. Carl. Hey. That's X-Man beeping in. You see the problem? Talk to me.
Yeah, I'm here. I got you. This is Carl.
All right, can you look on the live feed, Carl?
Yeah, I'm on there now. Let's get it.
You see where it's burnt? You see that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks like the bears might have went back.
Huh? What does it look like?
Yeah, that's on the leg, but I see it. Yep. Yes, I see it. It looks like there's supposed to be a bearing in between there. Was the bearing still there?
No, the bearing was gone. What no bearing was it?
Yeah, maybe the bearing got disintegrated or just never got in there. Yeah, I think also out. Yeah, there's supposed to be bearings.
Right there it is, Lee. Look. Take your knife. Hold on, we're gonna try to get it off there.
I just seen it.
There it is, right
You
there.
see the bearing.
The bearing.
It's
Yep.
gone.
Yep. Push it. Pull it. Hold on.
It's there.
There it is. See it? See it, Mr. Carl?
Bearing gone.
Bearing gone. Yeah, that's what's wrong.
Yeah, I see it. Look, got 283 running, huh?
Yeah, but I got them power pack heads on there, Mr. Carl.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah, that bearing shot.
What about that boss converter?
I got one of those Boss converters. You know, I think it's like a 2300 lockup. Would that work in it?
Wow, you fighting out the bearing too on there. How'd you do that?
Oh, Miss Pam, she been gaining weight. She done got a little chunky, and I was giving her a ride, and that thing stood up on the back bumper. What do you think? Can we race it this weekend? Can we race it this weekend?
Well, you can put a new bearing on it and clean everything up. Bearing and you clean it all up and make it.
Sir? What you say, Carl?
The pump half look where it rides, where that bearing rides.
You saying right here?
What you say, Carl?
Is that what you're talking about?
No, that bearing
Where the bearing, get to the side where the bearing rides on.
Right here?
No, it should be the other one. It's on the other side, on the pump side. That's the turbine side. You need the other piece to cover on the front.
This me and Lee first time.
That's the pump side. That's the there you go. Yep. That's where it rides. I mean, if you had a new bearing, you could probably clean that thing out, put a new bearing in, and it'd probably go again, really.
All right.
I have those bearings.
Boy, I need you to send me one.
Yeah, but I wonder if there's something else going on to cause it, but...
Well, I got 10 million passes on it, Mr. Carl.
Yeah. I don't think you have any time, but maybe you better let Marty Chance look at it.
Yeah. I might need Miss Pam buy me a new converter.
Yeah, 3,500.
Miss Pam, I normally run like a 25 or 2800. I think I want to go to a 3500 this time.
Whatever you say.
All right, Mr. Carl.
Yeah.
Well,
I normally run like a 25 or 2800. I think I'm gonna go to a 3500 this time.
All right. Well, thank you, Mr. Carl.
If you're desperate, I could send you a bearing, but you might want to have it checked out really good.
Absolutely. All right, we're gonna check and see what's going on, and we'll go from there.
All
All right, thank you. Appreciate you.
right.
I'm gonna put this back together. Just come off like this.
What you asking me for if it come off?
I don't want to watch it.
Man, I couldn't watch you. Had your back to me. Wouldn't let me get in and look. You sure that's how it go?
No,
Huh?
can't mess it up no worse. Can
No, it ain't no worse than this. All right, y'all. We'll holler at y'all. We're getting ready to get that Gilligan. He getting ready to weld up. I think he texting Mary Beth. Look at him. He over there texting Mary Beth. Them babies gonna be ugly. They gonna have a goatee and be short and stocky. All right, we jumping off here. We'll see y'all in Prescott, Arkansas this weekend, Saturday. All right.